Good day, sir. We are Einstein Group 21 and we are about to present lab experiment number 3 called fixed resistor. The objective is to determine the value of resistance of a fixed resistor using the color coding technique.
So here in our lab experiment 3, fixed resistor, the material that we use for the experiment is the resistor color code chart. Resistor color coding uses colored bands to quickly identify a resistor's resistive value and its percentage of tolerance with the physical size of resistor indicating its wattage rating. Components and wires are coded with colors to identify their value and function.
Procedure. There are 5 given resistors. We are going to mark the different color bands that is present in the resistor. Since we will be using 4 color bands, we need to check if it is 4 different color bands. Each color band has different color names. We are going to determine the value of the resistance in the resistor. The resistance is measured in ohms. The first 2 colors in the color bands represents a digit that is marked on our resistor. The third band is a multiplier. Then, we both multiply them. The last color band or the fourth band is a tolerance value or a range value. The meaning of this is how much we are going to add or subtract to it.
Now, for the table. The first resistor color bands are as follow. Yellow for the first band, violet for the second, black for the third band, and for gold. The second resistor, first band brown, second band is green, red for the third band, and gold for the fourth band. The resistor 3, gold for the first band, brown for the second band, third band black, fourth band brown. For the fourth resistor, the first band is gold, the second band is red, the third band is also red, the fourth band is also red. For the fifth resistor, we have yellow for the first band, we have violet for the second band, orange for the third band, and gold for the fourth band. For the value of the fixed resistor in ohm, we used the table, and the computation are as follows. Will be the first resistor's value is 47 with a positive and negative 5% tolerance. The second resistor would be 1.5K with a positive and negative 5% tolerance. For the resistor 3, we have 1 and positive and negative 1% tolerance. And for the resistor 4, we have 200 positive and negative 2% tolerance. For the resistor 5, we have 47K positive and negative 5% tolerance.
For the computations, we have here 5 resistors, and each one has a color bands. For the first resistor, we have a yellow, violet, black, and gold bands with a value of 47 and a multiplier of 1 and a tolerance of 5%. For the resistor number 2, we have brown, green, red, and gold that has value of 15 multiplied to 100 and a tolerance of positive negative 5%. Next is the resistor 3 with a value of 1 multiplied to 1 and a tolerance of positive negative 1%. For the fourth resistor, that has a value of 2 and a multiplier of 100 to be followed by a positive negative 2%. Lastly, with a value of 47 and a multiplier of 1000 to be followed by a tolerance of 5%.
For the discussion, observation, and analysis, we have discussed about fixed resistors. As a recap, as stated in the principle of Ohm's law, the voltage across terminal is directly proportional to the current flowing, with its unit in ohms. Its main purpose is to help in the consistency of voltage and current in electric circuit by restricting current flow. We have observed that each band has its own color that corresponds to a certain value. Based on this, we have come to analyze that the value of fixed resistor depends on its color with its value that each band holds.
In our conclusions, resistors control the sum of the current that flows within the circuit. They may come with predefined value. With our past discussions, there are different components that may influence it, and they are temperature, length of wire, zone of the cross-section of the wire, and nature of the material. For you to decide the value of the resistance, it is a must to get the color codes of it, because it is a way to figure out the resistance value of the resistors. Thank you.